Hi there, Stampers. Jen Roque here from StampCampWithJen.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, near the Villages, and welcome to my August 2026 Stamp Camp to Go, featuring the Fun for Fall bundle from the July 2026 online exclusives. In this class, you're going to make these 4 beautiful designs. You're going to get 2 card kits for each of the cards, and you're going to make a total of 8 cards. You're also going to get a full pack of the Array of Dots, and you're going to get half a pack of the Everyday Essentials paper cut down to 6 by 12, okay? There's a lot of this floral paper that's used, so in order for you to maximize your paper when you're cutting it, I'm going to cut just half a pack, or cut the 12 by 12 pack in half so that you can get the most out of your paper when you're cutting, okay? So let's get a little preview of the cards you're going to be making here. These are so fun. They're not the traditional fall colors, but I really kind of went outside the box with this one just to make sure that these can really be used all year long. You could use them now if you wanted to. It's so fun. I love the non-traditional colors. And this is our fun fold this time. I love to include a fun fold in each of my classes. So if you don't, or if you already have the bundle and you don't want to just purchase the kits and you just want to start crafting right now, the tutorial is available in my PDF store. You can find the link in the description below this video, and you can purchase that and start crafting right away. If you'd like to purchase the kits, you can purchase them now. And you can add supplies to your kit and save 17% on tax and shipping. So let's go over what you'll need. You will need that Fun for Fall bundle. You will need some inks. You'll need a black ink of some sort, Misty Moonlight and Lost Lagoon. And then there's a bunch of Stampin' Blends colors that I recommend that will be in the registration checkout. So you can look at that list and decide if you want to add those to your registration and save on tax and shipping, or you can use something similar that you already have on hand, okay? So like I said, if you want to add any of those items during registration, that's a great way to save. You save 17% on tax and shipping, and it'll all just be included in your Stamp Camp to Go kit when it's mailed out. Now, the deadline to register is Friday, August 7th, and these kits are estimated to ship around the week of August 24th, but I'm hoping to get them out sooner than that, okay? All right, guys, well, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime at jen@stampcampwithjen.com. I hope you're excited about this class. I had lots of fun designing it, and until next time, be safe and happy stamping. Bye-bye.